I'm going to explain to you the importance of having a business address. Now, in the beginning, it is quite okay to start off with your personal address or even use a P.O. box. But to actually be an official business, to look like you're not playing and you're actually conducting business with the public, you need to have a business address. And also, if you're trying to get financing, this also makes it look like you're serious, you're credible, you're not playing with it. IRS look at you as this is not a hobby, this is an actual business. Now, there are many different ways you can get a virtual address. I got 3 ways for you to get a virtual address. Now, a virtual address in some cases is the same amount that you will possibly pay for a retail space, for a same retail space in a strip mall. They're usually anywhere between $1,000 and $2,500 a month, while retail space for a WeWorks or one of them virtual addresses that you're using to either just send mail there or to actually have a physical location that you can go and set your laptop up or to conduct meetings. So the 3 I want to go over is, the first one is WeWorks. If you're in a city, WeWorks is one of the best places to work with. You can go there, register, get a tour, and see these spaces. They have one space. They have spaces for the individuals, spaces for teams, up to 100 people. So you go to their website, weworks.com, and you select the location, and all you got to do is just pull up where you want to be. You want to be on Park Avenue? Let's look at some pictures on Park Avenue. Let's show these photos. So now my idea is, if I'm conducting a training center, I can book a room where I could book a room with 25 students, have these 25 students come and pay to learn nice set, fire alarm license, whatever it is that they're learning, and then pay the difference back to WeWorks, and that's how it could pay for itself. So these spots look really, really good that you could come to, look professional, say, hey, this is my office, come to my office, come do a demo at my office, and things like that. So a virtual address actually makes you look very, very credible. And the next one is Regis. Regis is also a good one where you could go there and get yourself another virtual address. Now, it's all about price difference, how much you want to pay per month. Some is $100 per month. If you just want to have a virtual address, you can have a virtual address and a receptionist, so someone can answer the phone and say, hey, securities, good morning, how may I help you? So you can have it just like that, so that way you can transfer your phone calls to your actual phone system. The next one after that is Alliance. Like I said, it's all about pricing. Alliance is the virtual office that we use, but we actually have an office in Blue Hill. Once we seen the virtual address and I actually went over there, I actually built a contract directly with the Office Evolution, so that way I could get me a personal space, but I still use Alliance for my virtual aspect. So I have someone who could answer the phone when I can't answer the phone, and then it transfers over to my phone system. Either I will answer it, or I have another virtual assistant that actually works for the company that handles all the calls. If you have a problem with the website, they can help you. You have a question on a proposal, they can help you. If you want an invoice to be sent, they can help you. So I have a virtual assistant that answers my phone calls and route it 24/7 a day, and I have a person working for me as a virtual assistant during business hours that actually handles the calls that's being routed to the office. So those are the 3 places that you can choose from to build yourself a virtual address, or actually get yourself a physical location in one of these places. Then you use that to open up business bank accounts. So if you did it with your personal address, make sure you change your address. Credit cards, everything you apply for, you will use your new virtual address. All right. So if you have any questions, you can DM me or send me an email, or hit the support ticket at blueprint@securities.zohodesk.com. All right. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.